Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another motherfucking unit today. Today is a V-part wig, okay? So no lace, no got to be glue, no lace adhesive, none of that stuff today, okay? Today we bringing out our own edges, our own scalp, okay? So this is a V-part unit, like I said before, from Nadula hair. I'm going to be installing her, and I'm also going to be dyeing this hair as well to blend in with mine. Let's get into today's video because I'm doing a bunch of rambling. If you're new, what's good, what's up? It's your girl T. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. Without further ado, let's get it and let's go. So this is what my wig is looking like after I have dyed it. I did go ahead and shampoo and condition it and let it air dry overnight. Let's see what we got going under here. Okay, so y'all, my braids are dusty, so don't come for me. Okay, my braids look crazy because they've been in here probably about a good 2-3 months. To be honest, I did my baby hairs the best way I could because I don't really do my baby hairs, you know, probably look a little ratchet. I actually had to use glue because my hair was dirty. Okay, so normally I just use my extreme slime gel to do my baby hairs, but my baby hairs was not cooperating. It's probably because I got too much build up in there from doing all those wigs. So I took out these 2 braids here. I braided the rest back down from this section. Then I created 2 like security braids so my wig has something to hold on to. So my hair is dirty, y'all, so don't even do that. Don't even do that. If y'all see like crumbs and dandruff, I try to put some oil in here, try to comb out much as the dandruff as I could. I parted it to about right here, hopefully. So this is what it's giving us. All right, so I'm gonna have to pull this back a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip on my wig. Is this open? Yeah. Like that. That is one. And I'm super glad that I created my base braids as well, so it can have something to adhere onto. That was my problem in the last video. I was like, oh no, girl, I didn't have anything for it to sit on, so my wig kept sliding off. This is what she's looking like right now. Okay, we got to get it together. So this is going to be my little section. right there. And yeah, I didn't want to leave a lot of hair out. I'm just making sure everything's down. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this piece out first. And like I said, I don't know how this is gonna turn out because it feels very dry. Even though I put some oil on it, it still feels extremely dry. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my 𝚤𝚑𝚒𝚑 Frizz Serum and put this on there. So my hair, you're supposed to actually do this when your hair is wet. I think I said that in my last one. So clearly you can see my hair is more textured than this wig. So we cannot leave it like that by any means. You cannot do that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and flat iron these pieces. Timo flat iron to get these pieces straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this warm up. So I have two sections. I'm just gonna work in small sections because I want these pieces super straight. That's why I brought out my Timo. And I do have her, oh, she's probably a little way down. That's probably due to the look at me trying to make up excuses. You already know my hair is dirty, so don't do that. But what was I saying? It's probably a little bit way down, but sis, they're not gonna know. This thing, I don't care what nobody say, that Timo is the ish, especially for our natural hair. And I do have her on about 410 degrees. I don't put heat to my hair often, so don't worry, she fine. And like I said, she do look a little shiny, a little way down, but don't do that, y'all. Don't do that, okay? But this flat iron gets every strand of hair, and like literally y'all only see me doing one pass because that's all I need. That's all your girl need, and boom bam and shabam bam. Okay, this is all I need. This is all I need in this life. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my unit with some heat protecting spray just so she can have the same amount of shine as the other parts of my head. Put some heat protecting spray. Oh, I put too much. And then I'm going in with my Sebastian Shaper Plus spray, and we're just gonna go ahead and do some back curls. The first one was prettier, but they're still pretty. I'm gonna try to pin them up so they can cool. I don't have the correct pins, but we just gonna use clips and just keep them like this. Hopefully they don't flatten them out. and boom, we're done. Bye. So yeah, I'm just kidding. Y'all wish I would. Hey guys, so this is what it's giving. This is what she's giving us, okay? I enjoy working with this unit. Of course, like I said, since I did dye it jet black, I feel like it blended in 10 times better, and it was super easy to dye, by the way. I get a little bit of shedding. I did get a little bit of tangling here and there upon, you know, first detangling for the first time. Yeah, I love this. Okay, I wish my hair would be straighter, but my hair doesn't like to be straight because I don't put heat in my hair. So it is what it is. So it's probably shriveling up. And so yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, if you guys hate laces, definitely recommend this because it's a good way to switch things up, and you can just use your own natural edges and your own natural hairline. It's installments.com. okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys thought, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.